In this video, I'll show you how to connect OpenAI to N8N. Start by signing into your N8N account or opening your self-hosted N8N instance. Next, click Create Workflow to start a new workflow. After that, add a manual trigger node so you can test the workflow while you're building it. Now click the plus button and search for the OpenAI node, then add it to your workflow. Next, open the Credentials section in the OpenAI node and click Create New Credential. After that, paste your OpenAI API key into the credential field and save it. If you don't have an API key yet, create one from your OpenAI account before continuing. Now choose the action you want the OpenAI node to perform, such as generating text, creating chat completions, or another supported operation. Next, select the model you want to use and enter your prompt or map data from previous nodes into the prompt field. After that, connect the manual trigger node to the OpenAI node. Now click Execute Workflow to test the connection and verify that the OpenAI node returns a successful response. Finally, add additional nodes to send the AI response to another app, then click Activate to enable your workflow for automatic execution. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect OpenAI to N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.